Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello, checking back in on Twitter, the daily and weekly time frame. So we had a big time pullback. That bearish reversal candlestick, inverted hammer, let us know that some downside was coming. If you saw the trade review video of that day, June 1st, there were some nice trading opportunities. But moral of the story here, the bulls bought that dip with that long lower wick, and we can see the higher lows pattern the past 2 days with those wicks again. Also the higher highs. The upper Bollinger Band is without a doubt acting as resistance. We've topped out at that level the past 3 days. It's 1531 currently, but we're certainly ascending in a powerful bullish channel as long as we keep this trend continued with higher lows and higher highs. So a slight increase in bullish volume. We haven't even tested the 10-day moving average support. That's continuing to ascend at 1473. And if this pattern keeps up, the next resistance we're going to encounter is the 50-day moving average of 1560 and dropping. And looking at the weekly chart, key resistance test is coming up here this week, or this coming week. We had a bullish reversal candlestick. We confirmed it to the upside, and then it's looking like a potential bearish reversal candlestick this week at that 10-week resistance, close to a doji, which would the indecision on the doji after those two bullish candlesticks would increase the likelihood that we see a pullback for the bears. And that is what we're going to anticipate. It's going to be a tough 50-day resistance, and that's going to line up just above that tough 10-week resistance. So clear levels that the bulls need to get over to see continued upside towards this gap fill at 1708. And if unable to do so, we'll look to backtest these 10 and 20-day moving average supports. But looking at the weekly chart, we're so close to those all-time lows, and the highs are getting lower and lower. The trend is very clearly still bearish unless we can turn this weekly middle Bollinger Band into support and start breaking some of these previous lower highs, the first one being $18. So next week, as I said, going to be very telling. A close at the end of the week above the 10-week moving average will mean the 50-day moving average is support as well, and that is the goal for the bulls. But I'm going to be looking for potential weakness and a pullback because that has been the trend, and we know we want to play with the trend. So I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a great weekend, and we'll check back in next week. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.